Good morning, SH3 students. How are you today? I hope you are in a very good condition. This is the last week that we will study as a senior high school students. Again, it is quite sad for me and other teachers also within this condition. You need to graduate soon, but I hope you do not lose your spirit to continue your study. And for those who are preparing for the university or your college within these weeks or next week or next month, I hope you are the best of luck. It's the best of luck of you. And also, don't forget about your teacher here in senior high school who have teach you for 3 years or maybe more than that. Okay, so today I'm going to take you some review of what we have studied within these 2 years. For you know that for international school, actually physics, there are two kinds of physics: the IGCSE physics and also A-level physics. And for the IGCSE level physics, most of you get with Mr. Joel when you are still in GH3 and also GH1. And then after that, I come to your life in SH2. Then we are discussing, we studied A-level physics. The A-level physics actually consists of AS level and also L level itself. The AS level is all the materials that we have studied during SH2, and for A level is all the materials that we have studied during SH3. The A level from Cambridge, whether it's physics, biology, chemistry, math, or English, it is actually very promising for you if you want to continue your study abroad, especially for those who are accepting Cambridge curriculum like UK. So if you have done these and then after that you follow the task, the A-level task, then it will be much easier for you to enter university in UK, Europe, also America possible, and Australia. What we have studied during these 2 years, okay, I will remind you. I know that some of you will continue studying to the major that is related to physics, like civil engineering, mechanical engineering, or mechatronics, or maybe something related to IT, and many more, civil engineering maybe. So the knowledge materials that we have studied during these 2 years will be valuable for the basic of your study. I want to remind you first about what we have studied during SH2 or the AS level. During the AS level, we have studied about kinematics, accelerated motion, dynamics, forces, vectors, and moments, momentum, matters, and materials. Okay, so these are the chapters that is included into one branch of physics, which is the classical physics. So physics, as I've mentioned to you in the beginning of our class, physics, there are branches of physics. If you see this picture, then physics studied all the things, all the matters around us. from what it is made into why it can be moved and how it's moved, what is the cause of the move. Physics will study about it. So for example here, for the speed, physics study about speed, of course. From the speed of human being until the speed of light. If it is the speed of human being and then the size also still big, then we will study it in classical mechanics. If it is in the speed of light and the size still big, we still can see the matters, then that is the part of relativistic mechanics. This is where Einstein has started. And after that, if the size is small, particles or atoms, then the speed is not too fast, then we will study it in quantum mechanics. If the size is small and the speed near the speed of light, then we will study it in quantum field theory. I think most of you will take the major, if you take the major related to physics, then you will take the classical mechanics and somehow related to also mechanics if you take mechatronics. And if you are lucky enough to study about nuclear physics, then it will be also the part of quantum mechanics and also relativistic mechanics. Okay, now let us continue to the major branches of physics. The major branches of physics, actually there are two, classical and modern physics. Classical physics can be divided into classical mechanics, electromagnetism, thermodynamics, and also statistical mechanics. For the modern physics, can be divided into relativistic and also quantum. The quantum physics can be divided again into quantum mechanics, quantum statistics, quantum electrodynamics, and quantum field theory. If you take applied physics, then you will study all of this, the basic only. Yeah, so you will know what is quantum mechanics, quantum statistics, quantum electrodynamics, and quantum field theory if you take your major in physics or physics education. But if you don't, then usually the major that is related to physics will study about classical mechanics, electromagnetism, thermodynamics, and also statistical mechanics, which is only the classical physics. Let's say you want to take civil engineering or mechanical engineering, then most of it you will study in a branch of classical physics. And the major subfields of classical physics. So this one, Newton's law, Lagrangian mechanics, Newtonian, kinematics, statics, dynamics, chaos theory, acoustics, fluid dynamics, and continuum mechanics. We have studied in a S level and also A level. We have studied this, Newton's law of motion, kinematics, statistics, dynamics, acoustics. Yeah, these acoustics, if I'm not mistaken, you have studied in IGCSE level. Yeah, because the theory about acoustics in a level, yeah, it is only about vibrations and also wave equation. It is also part of acoustics. And then fluid dynamics, we have studied also about this. And major subfields of classical physics. The electromagnetism, this is the things that we just studied in the previous month. Yes, we have studied about electricity, magnetism, and also optics. Optics we have studied in AS level. If you have remember, we ever done the experiment about lights. Okay, how to find the wavelength of red light, blue light, green light. Yes, we have done the experiment last year. If you want to see the video of the experiment, actually I have uploaded for SH2 students. You can see it also in this YouTube channel. It's below there. You can check it. Okay. And the other major subfields of classical physics are thermodynamics. We have studied thermodynamics either in physics and also in chemistry. Yes, we studied about the heat engine, entropy, kinetic theory of gas, and particle statistics. For relativity, and luckily we do not discuss it in A-level physics, but this one, if you take your major in physics, then you will study about relativity. Of course, this is the big part of physics. And also quantum physics. If you take your major in physics, then you will study, of course, about quantum mechanics as well. Other subfields of physics that is related to physics, yeah, acoustics, astrophysics. I wonder, is there any of you taking astronomy or astrophysics here? Because that is one of the major that is actually promising also for the future. Atomic physics as well, biophysics, this one, biophysics, biochemistry, yeah, that is kind of major that is very promising for the future. Chemical physics also. Yeah. So if you take major, which is actually the major is combinations of two sciences, biology and physics, biophysics, chemistry, physics, chemical physics, then it will be the demand for those graduates in the future will actually be higher. As I mentioned to you, aside from the major like data science and also IT, of course, engineering, yeah, engineering, and then after that, for programming, yeah, that is the one that is very promising for the future. You can try. Other subfields of physics, cryogenics, is the study of also called motion physics. This cryogenics nowadays are still for humankind. Usually this one they will put person which is having very heart disease, which is for nowadays cannot be cured. So this cryogenics technology will mix the human body to be conserved until the future, and then written up again to be cured. And then after that, econophysics, dealing with physical process and their relations in the science of economy. So this one also, so physics not only can be related into other science subjects, but physics also can be connected with other social subjects. Let's say this one, econophysics, the connections between economy, and also physics, like the things that I've studied also um, about language and also physics. It's also possible to connect between the language, yeah, the frequencies of the people talking, yeah, and then also with the physics things. Geophysics is the study of Earth and its atmosphere and waters by means of the principle of physics. This one also high demand in the future. And also health physics involve the protection of people who work with or near radiation. This, if you have remember, we have studied about radioactivity, then the materials, the knowledge about health physics and radioactivity, yeah, will be very connectable. And then after that, for the mathematical physics, yeah, the study of mathematical system that stands for physical phenomena. Of course, the language of physics is mathematics, so we cannot study physics without mathematics. And also there are medical physics, molecular physics, nuclear physics that not many people can study. In Indonesia, we only have this major in one university in UGM, Universitas Gadjah Mada. And per year, for this major, only 2% accepted. Yeah, if many people accepted in nuclear physics, then this can be dangerous. Okay, so here are big things in physics. Yeah, this CERN accelerator, I have introduced it to you in SH2. This is what we call as LHC, the Large Hadron Collider. This is to collide. Yeah, this system is made to collide very small particles like electrons with another electron, so we can see how this universe expand, also how this universe is made. Telescopes, this is related to optics, this is medical physics, so doctors, and also if you want to be a doctor, then of course the basic of your physics need to be strong. If not, then it will be very hard for you to study medication later. Yes, because for those who will take medication, you also need to know about the basic of physics, of course, and also about radioactivity. Because radioactivity is one of the use or the applications in medical science. Okay, laser and molecular beam epitaxy, geophysics, and so on. Okay, superconductor. Okay, guys, so yeah, that is a highlight of review about the things that we have studied during these 2 years with me in L-level physics, and I hope these 2 years, the knowledge that you have got from my class will be very useful for your future. I think that's all for today. There is no assignment for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you again.